Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English text class. Today we'll take Unit 4, Section 1, that is Fair Play. Children, The Fair Play is a wonderful story about two friends. The story is written by Munshi Premchand. You must have read his stories in Hindi textbooks. Munshi Premchand was a great story writer, novel writer, and dramatist. Children, the story is about two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They both were very good friends, and the bond of friendship was so strong that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. So, both were greatly respected in the village. Now, Juman had an old aunt. She had some property, and she transferred this property to Juman on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The agreement worked well for a couple of years, but then the situation changed. How? Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became an indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the food that the old lady wanted every day. Now, here, indifferent means to lose interest. So, they were losing interest in the aunt. Okay, and grudge means unhappy. So, they were not happy even just for a little food that they were giving to the aunt. She swallowed all these insults along with her food for a few months. Swallowed here means to tolerate. So she tolerated all her insult for few months, but everything is having a limit. So patience also have its own limit. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. She said that can give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Okay, so Juman replied very shamelessly, my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman. Okay, this made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. And what is a village panchayat? Village panchayat, they maintain law and order in the small towns in India. Okay. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeing their support. But some sympathized with her, and others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. Make it up means to end or to compromise with them. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Algu Chaudhary is his friend, Juman Sheikh's friend. Okay, so she said, you know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against with him? Now Algu is saying that. But is it right, my son, to keep mum? Now keep mum means to keep quiet and not say what you consider just and fair, pleaded the old lady. Pleaded means request. Okay, so she requested Algu Chaudhary to come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said, now Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing, repeating in his ears. He was not able to forget those words. The panchayat was held the same evening under the old banyan tree. Now, Jumman stood up. The voice of Panch is the voice of God. That means whatever Panch will say, it is equal to God. What God is saying. Okay. So, I will abide by her decision. Okay, abide means to be agree with or to accept the decision. Now, the Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Now, Juman was feeling that he was very lucky to have Algu Chaudhary as head of Punch. Now, Algu said, Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman. I know, said Aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience. Conscience means the inner voice the sense of right or wrong, for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Punch, and his voice is the voice of God, she said. Now the old lady then explained her case. She explained everything. Now Juman said to Algu, "You and I are old friends. Your aunt is a dear to me as you. Now I am a Punch. You and your aunt are equal before me." Then Algu asked Juman that what he has to say is in his defense. So Juman started, and he said that 3 years ago my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now, my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. So, Juman was cross question means the Punch and the other people or Punch, they also examined and questioned Juman, and he was questioned by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." Now, the judgment was in favor of aunt. They all were in favor of aunt. Now, the two friends were seldom seen together. Seldom means hardly or never. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Revenge means the action of hurting or to harm someone in return of wrong being suffered by him. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Now, ill luck is unlucky, being unlucky, and tight spot means difficult conditions. So, he was in difficult condition now. One of his fine pair of bullocks died, and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. So the bullock died within a month itself, okay, due to some illness. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't yet paid. Sahu got very annoyed. Annoyed means to be irritated or to get angry. "I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast. You sold me." Wretched means unhealthy or poor quality. Okay, he brought us nothing but ruin. Ruin means destruction. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparations for holding the panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. So the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of Punch is a voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Punch. I will abide by his decision." Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Why? As he knew that Juman was seeking revenge from him. So pale means become very sad. Okay, so he was looking for a revenge. So that's why he was sad. The moment Juman became head Punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. So he thought and thought again that he can't take revenge when he's sitting on the seat of a Punch. He has to do the justice. No, He must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of seeking the truth and doing justice. So both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross examined and the case was considered. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. So the bullock was very healthy at that time when he purchased it. So the death of bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. So Algu could not contain his feeling, as he was so happy. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory Panchayat, this is justice. God lives in the voice of Panch." Soon after, Juman came to Algu, embraced him, and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy." Embrace means to greet happily, or to hug. "I had become your enemy. Today, I realize that when it meant to be a punch has no friend or enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Now, deviate means to move away. Algu embraced his friend and wept. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between. So, children, he said, "Since I became the head of Panchayat, I realized the importance of that position. That a punch cannot be in favor of a friend, neither can he be against his enemy. He has to be just and fair." So, children, with tears, all the dirt of misunderstanding was washed away, and the bond of friendship became alive once again. So, children, here with this chapter, we learn the importance of relationship also, and the responsibility of a punch, or when you are sitting on a seat and you have to do the justice. Hope you have understood this story. Thank you and have a nice day.